Welcome to the Backyard Professor Responds videos. We're looking at Saturday morning, December 28th, about 9 o'clock in the morning. We are winding up 2024, gearing up for 2025. And I have just discovered a couple of video clips that are quite important. One is a video clip of a saucer that has an exquisitely interesting provenance. The other is a video clip of an orb changing into a drone. Now, let's take a look at this, because this is the type of stuff that we want to assess. We don't immediately want to jump on this and say, oh, aliens, aliens. On the other hand, we also don't want to say, oh, it's just fake, because not everything is fake and not everything is real. And you know what that means? That's right. We get to go to school. We get to sift through all of the crap, evidence to get to the truth. Yeah, I know those who don't like the journey, who want to end up on the destination, go ahead and just jump on the helicopter and get swooped up to the top of the mountain. The rest of us are going to enjoy this incredibly fun, fascinating mountain climb. Let's take a look at this. I can't find the sound. Come on, keep it in the video. Keep it in the video. All right. Photographed well at a close range of 20 meters from us. This apparently was in Boise, Idaho. Did you see that switch? That is fascinating. Yeah. Now it's a drone. And then they go over to the side and but that was an orb to a drone. Very interesting. Let me see if I can play this again for you. Hold on. There we go. There's the. Now when he backs back down, it's a light. Pretty good detail. He doesn't back down too far down to the light. There's the drone. And so the question is that just an out of focus drone, or is this changing from an orb to a drone? That's the question. That's the eternal question on this. And I am so itching to get my, hold on, stop screen. I am so itching to get my own equipment so that I can look into this myself. So I'm looking forward to getting some of my own equipment so that I can do my own video recording. There are not a lot of UFO sightings in my particular state. I may have to travel to get some. I've got a good spot south of me, a few hours that maybe I can get down to a few times. This coming up year, one of my goals for 2025 is to get actual footage for my own self, for my own files, so that I can share with you, my viewers. And I'm going to get some good equipment, I hope. We shall see. This next video clip is with James Fox from the Joe Rogan show. And I am very excited for this one because this is brand new, just a few days out. And James Fox, the great, I'm looking forward to purchasing his program video and watching it. Yes, I do support fellow YouTubers, UFO buffs. I will purchase his $20. That's a steal. I'm going to support Jamie Foxx. Let's see what's going on with this. This is most remarkable.
You know, you can't, after a year or two, haven't successfully obtained stuff.
So this is a better version.
Yeah, it's a better version that you can see the granular of the film footage.
It's weird. It almost looks like there's something in the back.
It does look a little bit like
a little
that.
propeller or something, like a Jetsons type thing.
But let's just say
and that thing was silent, supposedly.
Silent, according to the witnesses. It didn't make any sound. It hovered there for an extended period of time, and when it took off straight vertical like this, straight up.
Fast.
It started going faster, and then was gone. Yep, that was Craig Lindsay who interviewed the witnesses who told me that. And it's so weird, though. According to Richard Greaves in Scotland, the Americans got involved.
Of course, we get involved in everything.
Yep, they showed up and
yeah, Joe's right there. But the provenance of this is that small item behind that saucer was a military jet. And the person who took the picture took 5 different pictures. And then, of course, they were confiscated and they thought that they all disappeared. James Fox has been chasing this thing down, the provenance of it, the actual witnesses, etc., for the last 20 years, and he got the photo. And that's the photo. Now, it's so clear it's CGI, right? Except James Fox gives the provenance. But it's a flying saucer, so it has to be fake, right? It's not clear enough. It's not close enough. So see, damned if you do, damned if you don't. But that's the best UFO saucer picture I have ever seen, bar none. The provenance with James Fox. Go ahead and go to Joe Rogan. I will leave a link in the description. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I'm not going to record a whole lot of that conversation. There is more context and background. That interview is worth a look. It's at about the 1 hour, 15 minute to 1 hour and 20 minute timestamp. Yeah, if you start at 1 hour 15, you'll be fine. They're just finishing up one part of the conversation, and then they will, for the next 5 or 6 or 7 minutes, which I can't give you because of copyright restrictions. You never want to get a strike on Joe Rogan, man. He's very copyrighted, right? So, but I'm giving you the source, and I gave you the video, the quick clip. That's an outstanding picture. For those who say we don't have anything, you're just simply wrong. We do have something. Well, we need more. You've got something. You don't understand. This one picture with the provenance could potentially put UFOs into the reality category. Now, this isn't the only one taken. I'm well aware of that. But I'm just saying, for the diehard skeptics, for Pete's sake, what more do you want? Now, the orb to a the orb to the drone picture, that could be camera. I just wanted to show you that because that is without question one of the coolest looking orbs that I've ever seen. But as he shifts back and forth in the focus, when he does go do a tight, very good, clear focus, there's the drone. So is it a trick of the camera? It very well could be. There's no question. It's a cool looking orb when you get it zoomed up and it's out of focus. That's not the issue. The question is that a camera problem or is a UAP actually changing from an orb to a drone? It's open on this score. The skeptic will say, of course, it's the problem with the camera. The believer will say, well, of course, it's the technology of the UFO aliens. At this point, we just don't know. And I'm not going to take sides because I don't feel it necessary at this point to come to any hard, fast conclusions. I'm assessing the evidence. I'm looking through. I'm filtering through the good, the bad, and the ugly, like I say. And you have to make up your own mind. I'm also in the process of hopefully updating a little bit of my equipment. I don't have equipment like the Tedesco brothers. That was such a fun interview. I can't get that extensive, of course, but I can put myself in a position to where I can go UFO hunting myself. We'll see what comes of it. 2025 could be quite a bit of fun as I take off on this new adventure, so I'm going to. So thanks for watching the BYP Responds videos. I will be back with more as I find it, and it appears to me like there's plenty to find. There is, in fact, way too much to find. And in a way, that's a bother. But on the other hand, it gives us a chance to practice learning how to discriminate fake from real, seeing some really amazing, marvelous things, giving us hopefully just a little bit better smidgen of wisdom as we propel ourselves into next year, attempting to unravel this phenomenal mystery. And we're going to be able to do it together, have a lot of fun, learn some things, read a few books, check out a few videos, and just basically have a good year next year. Thanks for watching. I'll catch up to you as I can.